Hello and welcome to Quick Handyman Services. My name is Oscar, and together with my team, we proudly provide professional handyman and remodeling services across Utah. We have more than 4 years in business and we are fully licensed and insured. We specialize in painting, drywall repair, flooring installation, and remodeling, along with plumbing, basic electrical work, property maintenance, repairs, and much more for homes and businesses. Our goal is to provide professional work, honest communication, and reliable service on every project. We take pride in the quality of our work and always do our best to make sure every customer is satisfied with the final results. If you would like to learn more about our work, you can explore some of our real projects and videos here on our website. You can also check our Google reviews to see what our customers say about the quality, professionalism, and service we provide. Whether you need a small repair or a complete remodeling project, we are here to help. If you would like an estimate for your project, contact us today or schedule an appointment online directly through this page. Thank you for visiting Quick Handyman Services. We look forward to helping you with your next project.